how inspiring, uninspiring the world would look like if all life takes a single form, all birds sing the same melody, and our minds converge to the same thought. Luckily, we live in this spectacular diversity of life and animals. Each of them have their own ways of sensing, thinking, and behaving. So from these intricate dances of bees to the spatial map inside a bat's brain, every species tells us something about the many ways the brain can solve the challenges of life. All these wonders and innovations, including our own minds, complex, creative, may also flawed, are the products of historical projects built layer by layer from ancient brain structures and through this repurposing and refining over time. In my own research, we can witness this creativity in action where a few tweaks in the genetic code of a humble fruit fly gives them a new song that wow the female. As we dig into these roots of how the dazzling varieties of brains and behaviors come to be through these modifications in genes, neurons, and their interactions with this ever-changing environment, we're not only marvel at the wonders of other species, we're also glimpsing into these very same inventive processes that lead to us and our minds. Thank you.